Hi guys, and welcome back on our Cuba Design YouTube channel. Lovely greetings from our manufacturer. It's a daily technical video about the panhards for G Wagon W463. As far as you know, when you raise your car, get it taller and wider, you have some issues with the suspension because as far as your axle contains the margin uploads on your suspension shaft, the taller and the wider car you make, the worse is gonna for the steering for your car. That's why we manufactured the special panhards. You can see for the front axle and for the rear axle. It's for the front and it's turnable. It could be gate wider just because to handle the suspension lifting and widening. So you can see the special bolts here that's fixable and fixable there. Mounts with the silent blocks. These panels are from our customer's car and they are already painted black, very good, and will be shortly installed on the car. So please follow and subscribe our channel so we can show you the best result. Also available for sale. If you want to build your own 4x4 or 6x6 car, you will always contact us and order these parts. Stay tuned. Thank you.